Okay, guys, today, welcome to everyone. I'm very serious. We have some shit to talk about it. The dresses, everyone likes to gossip. I like to gossip a little bit, and I'll be happy to share that with you. So bring a tea, bring a coffee. Let's talk about the Golden Globes. I think I'm not the only one who wasn't impressed, and I'm so mad of it. No one actually gave me the vibe of a great dresses, but we have chosen 5 dresses, and I think everyone will agree with me, or you have to agree with me. You have no choice. However, I wasn't that impressed. I found like the vibe was fuck you all. We're just coming because we're forced to. I don't know. It gave me that feeling. So we have picked 5 dresses for you. We'll be criticizing in a very constructive way and maybe give you some inspiration about why you should try this color and maybe find something affordable to wear, or maybe you can style it yourself or you're like, you can do that. I don't have no talent, so I cannot do anything. So the first dress will be for Jennifer Lopez, number 5. The dress was made, I think, from young designers. I like the color. The color pink is back on the market for 2024. I like her glowing. I like the jewelries. The makeup was very soft. Ben Affleck is always mad. I don't know why. It's like he doesn't want to be there. However, I didn't like the sleeves, flowers. That's very classic. And the hair is very puffy. I mean, we have seen Jennifer Lopez in this look for over 7 years now. So it's like you see her in the market. It's like she's your neighbor or something like that. You don't get very impressed by her look. I know the look looks nice, so you don't get mad at me. But I would love to see Jennifer Lopez in something more modern, maybe like old money, classic, and with a sleek hair. Not this bougie style anymore. Okay, next dress will be for Florence Pugh. Listen, girl, I like to call this dress the revenge dress. Okay, if you're going over breakup, pick up something closer to that. I mean it. The dress is sexy and sassy. The color red, bloody. I love it. The details, the flower, the delicate flowers, the position of the flowers were like coordinated. It's like music. I love this dress. I would give it number 1, but I had to vote for this dress. They pushed me to put it number 2 here. So the dress, amazing. Short and long at the same time. And when she moves, you keep seeing more details with this dress. The very soft makeup. I would have loved to have like a burgundy lipstick. I don't know what you think about it, but I think it suits any shape of body. It suits any color of skin. So this is amazing. Valentino nailed it really with this dress, and he picked the right character. Gorgeous. You nailed it, Flores. Really, you did. One more thing, I have to say this. Valentino, we have to give it credit, recently have been doing a lot of efforts to suit any type of body, and the choices of the garment and the tissue and the colors and the shapes is amazing thing, girl. You have to check his runways. You need to get inspired from the recent runways he have been doing. Great job, really. And I'm so proud that we have a designer today that tries to satisfy all types. It's like he's imagining our bodies and try to say, okay, this will look great. Let's do it. Okay, girl, the number 3 Margot Robbie, actually, I will call this the cheesy girl dress. You know, that girl that teases everyone at school and actually is the most popular, the most beautiful. That's the vibe is giving me this dress. However, I would like to look at it from a different side. Look at the shape of the heart in the middle of that dress and look to the glitters. At the same time, I hated the makeup. I really did, because it kept her face a little bit pale. And they should have put it more like glitters, more bougie things on her face, so we can see like the glowing out of her face. But they didn't do that. That's why I didn't like the makeup. But I have seen this dress. This dress actually is done by Armani Privè. The dress is done in black before, and it looks amazing. You can get inspired to get tops or to get a mini dress or to find something close to it. I think this year we need to think more about the sleeve. We have seen Jennifer Lopez with a flower. Now we're seeing Margot Robbie, and in a few weeks we'll see it in a different dress. So this is gonna be something as an accessory for the next summer. But that's a cheesy dress. So if you're not a cheesy girl, don't try to do the same thing as Margot Robbie. Okay, the next number goes for to repeat the All right, for number 2, it goes for Hailey, the dress of Breakfast at Tiffany's. This is the vibe is giving this dress. I like the color. You see, the pink is back. As I said before, you have to believe me on this. I just have one question here. Who picked those gloves? Those very ugly gloves. I mean, now by editing the video, I see like they are see-through gloves, like, you know, the ones that we wear, like slutty ones. I think, dude, you're getting fired, or wherever you are. They made the looks a little bit cheap here, so you are in trouble. I like the necklace. I don't know if it's a necklace or attached to the dress, I have no idea about it. I like this hairstyle and I like the makeup. She looks amazing at this dress. And really, the long sleeves and the veil and the back, we will talk about the back in few. The backs astonished my mind, to be honest. I really liked it. Look at here, girl. It's amazing, you know, like it shapes her body in a very nice way. She looks amazing in this dress. Really deserves number 2. It's clear that the dress was inspired by Audrey Hepburn, the amazing woman in Breakfast at Tiffany's. You know, they try to do the same thing and try to transmit the new modern way. They try to do the long sleeves. However, we can see Audrey was wearing a black dress, which looks amazing. But now we see pink and see-through gloves. I think they should have made it shorter to make it like more delicate on her. Her dress was made by Prada, by the way, girls. Prada is my favorite designer. You should know this. Prada is amazing. Is amazing, really. So well done. Okay, number 1 goes for my lovely girl Dua Lipa. And I'm being fair in this video, okay? Don't think because I like Dua Lipa, I'm gonna give her number 1. Yes, I did. So in this case, this was, I'll call this Colette, the bone dress, the black. And look, it looks like a violin. You see, like now I see the shapes. It's like a violin. It's an amazing dress. However, I hate her hair. I actually, girl, that hair color is not great. I like the black. I knew Dua Lipa since the beginning. Long hair, black hair. It looks amazing on her. This dress, like, I don't know who suggested that. Look here. Even her eyebrows are black and hair is red. Like, what was she thinking? I think this dress, if you imagine Dua Lipa with the black hair and this dress, she would have looked amazing. The dress is made actually by something. Don't kill me, guys. I'm gonna butcher that name. Is Schiaparelli. And at the same time, I like how everything was done in very synchronized ways. Like, she's made for this dress. I didn't like the length of the dress and the last part of the dress, but I think the designer had a vision. I don't understand his vision, so maybe he could tell us about it. But everything looked amazing in this dress. Her body is amazing. Her voice is amazing, but the hair needs to be changed. I don't understand the jewelry. I think the jewelry was very big to the dress. I would have picked something not yellow, because yellow with the very goldy details of the dress made it looks a little bit hiding the beauty of that dress. I don't know. I told you guys, no one was trying that hard this year. Everyone was busy, I guess, to get the Golden Globes, or they have been invited last minute. I don't know, to be honest, because many details or many things, usually we see them well studied. This year we haven't seen that. I felt some vibe dresses was the Met Gala. I don't know, maybe they got confused in the invitation or something like that, or the schedule was not organized as it should be, or the invitation was wrong. But I hope you really like those dresses. I hope you get inspired. For me, if you ask me, where would I go to find those dresses? I will recommend on a budget to go to Revolve. The website has many dresses and you can find a lot. I Google it, by the way, and I looked to some dresses. I can see some shapes like that. If you want to see details about the dresses and where you can find something similar to that, please leave a comment. We're looking forward to see you on the next video. We're dropping new video this weekend. Please subscribe, share, and write your comments. If you want to criticize us, we don't mind, okay? You can criticize us, you can give us ideas, and we're looking forward, and thank you for the support always. Kisses. See you on Sunday, girls.